Hi, this is Gary, KE6JZS in Barstow, and this is the probably the last video with this cell. This is my vertical plate 11 plate cell, and it's in the, finally got it built, new test chamber, acrylic test chamber, and I'm going to power this thing up. It has about probably about 5.5 hours on this solution, and this hasn't been broke in about 5.5 hours. I'm getting ready to break it. As you can see, the cells, they're not completely submerged in water. I made these 12 inches and I didn't cut them. I just used them like that and put them together to kind of see how they worked. I'm gonna dismantle this core because it is alternating plus minus minus plus minus plus minus plus 11 plates long. I'm going to now I've done some experimenting with the neutrals, and really there's quite a difference. So I'm going to construct the new cell with my neutral plates in it. This one is probably going to get cut up. Anyway, I don't have any video with this, so I'm going to just go ahead and make a video at least documenting this cell here. So just a quick rundown of it. There's the cell. We got a gas blast valve. Comes down into this kind of a what do you call those plumbing traps, and what this does is this traps a little bit of water into this area right here and enables the bubbler to work. Comes out into this, through this tube and into the bubbler. This is 6-gauge stranded copper, and you kind of see the plates there. These are a gas tight through fittings, 1/4 inch 20 stainless steel. I constructed this out of 2 pieces of 1/4 inch acrylic, 6 by 6, and then kind of glued them together to make my 1/2 inch. And I wanted a little bigger material there, thicker material. Anyway, that's what that's made out of. To bolt this thing on, I just took some acrylic and kind of made this piece on here, and super glued it, actually using whatever that is, cryosilicate super glue, and kind of put those on the 4 corners, and that's so that I can go ahead and bolt the top plate down. And it is also gas tight. I couldn't find an O-ring for the top of this to seal this top, to gas seal this top. So what I did was use some of that screen repair for that you'd repair a screen door or a screen window with. It's that rubber seal, and it, you know, it comes in a big, I don't know, like 20 feet of it or something. But I just kind of cut that and then heated up the ends with the soldering iron, put them together, and made a really nifty little O-ring type seal on the top. This really does a good job. These are have O-rings on them also. It has an indented groove that's around a little bit bigger than the 1/4 20s that those O-rings sit into. Those are quite tight. You want to make sure those are tight. Definitely don't want any ignition inside the gas chamber of this cell, which would be this portion. The electrical connections are right here. Those are done with stainless steel straps bolted to the through bolts and hex head, positive and minus in there. And then you can see how the negative plates are ganged together, and on the other side you can, I don't know if you can see it, but the positive plates are ganged together. So that makes that cell. Like I said, this has about 5.5 hours on it. I'm glad I finally have a clear test vessel to experiment with. Like I said, that led me to other things. I'm going to destroy this cell by simply cutting it up and